The material is dispensed via a fluted seed roller. Color coding of the seed rollers is relative to material to be applied. Red, large, blue, medium, and green, small granules. The corresponding fluted rollers can be mounted on the cassette relative to the material to be applied. Changing the seed roller is simple and fast. Simply remove the pressure cap on the seed roller shaft by pressing inwards and turning in a clockwise direction. Now, withdraw the seed roller from the Vento. To replace a roller, repeat these steps in reverse order. Perform the same steps in reverse order to insert the new rotary feeder. Tighten the nuts, insert the shaft and attach the cap. A simple operation taking only a few seconds.